welcome back to my channel. My name is Bev and I'm going to be unboxing my very first Diamond Art Club. It's the Princess Mononoke by JoJoes Art. Here's the thumbnail. So this is my very first Diamond Art Club. I had 4 of them actually arrive, but this is the first one that I'll be opening because it's the first one I want to work on. I also got Sweet Purple, Sweet Tooth, and Lumina, and I have a couple more also expected that are in pre-order, but this is the first one, so let's open it up. If you've never seen a Diamond Art Club before, it comes in this box. It comes shipped in a This box comes shipped inside of a box, so there's not going to be any like dings and like crushed boxes that you'll receive. On the back, there is the kit contents, and then how it works, so how to diamond paint. Sorry for the reflection. And on the front, if you see this blue line, that means it's going to be a square diamond painting. The pink ones mean that it's going to be a round diamond painting, but it also says here, let's open it up. It comes vacuum sealed, packaged, plastic wrapped, whatever you want to call it. So let's cut this open without damaging the box. It's so shiny, I'm so excited. This is one of the smaller ones that I did order. On the end here, it just says Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. Ooh, okay. What do we have here? Here is a stick. This thing is a sticker. The sheet is a sticker. And there's the thumbnail. And here are the colors. There's 38 colors with no ABs. So when you order Diamond Art Clubs, anything I think under 150 comes as a Aurora Borealis diamond, which means it has like a special sparkle to it, but there's none in this kit, unfortunately. But that's okay because I am in love with the artwork. So you can actually cut this up, which I'm going to do, and then put it on your containers and then sort out your diamonds that way. This is a 44 by 32 centimeter, and again, it's square. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. Everyone always talks about how soft the Diamond Art Club canvases are, so I'm excited for that. Oh, it comes with this little sticker again, so you can put it in your diamond painting logbook. You can put it at the end of this box, depending on how you store your diamond paintings, but that's pretty neat. And it comes with this kit. So in this kit is your typical diamond painting beginner kit. I'm going to open it up just because I've never seen one, but I'm sure if you have seen unboxings or you have Diamond Art Clubs, you've seen them before. So here's a blue pen. I've never actually got a blue pen before. Usually it's always the pink pen, so that's kind of cool. Really sharp tweezers. Everyone always says they're super sharp. And you probably can't see, oh there. So they are really sharp. Want to keep this plastic nib on them before you kill someone with them. Unless you are planning on killing someone with them, then leave the nib off. Just kidding. Haha, haha, jokes. And then it also comes with some baggies. A squishy thing to protect your fingers. A clear tray. I've never received a clear tray before either, so that's kind of neat. And 2 things of wax. Really cute, shaped like a heart. Aww. And then I'm just going to put them back in this bag. And I like this bag. It feels really cool and you can reuse it. So there's the baggies. Put this tray back in here. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff. And then let's look at the canvas. The canvas, again, is wrapped in plastic. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. I feel like my cat is going to come say hello. Nope, he ran away. I'm excited. Oh yeah, it is soft. Ooh, okay. I understand now what everyone talks about when they're like, oh, it's so soft. That's what she said. Goes this way. Try and get it in the shot. Ooh, look how schmancy. Comes with this step-by-step instruction booklet. I always wondered what was inside of these, so I'm just going to show you guys the inside in case you're like me and you want to see every single thing when it comes to receiving a Diamond Art Club. So tips and tricks, how to diamond paint, thank you 10, so if you guys want to use this coupon code, you can get 10% off your next purchase. Am I supposed to share that? I don't know. Well, there it is. You can use it. Some tips and tricks, prevent static cling with dryer sheets, use the checkerboard if you're doing squares, use a multi-placer tool, and work in sections of color blocks. So there's your tips, and then here's the back. You can find them on social media. And our canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamond protection from Diamond Art Club. Cool. The only thing is, like, it says from Diamond Art Club, but shouldn't the D, A, and C be capitalized because Diamond Art Club is the company name? Just saying. Just saying. And then here's the drills. We'll look at them after. Let's look at the canvas first. Ooh, okay. So do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And then along the bottom here, let me just pick it up. Along the bottom here's our social media. And then saying go to our website, and then here's the lifetime warranty. It is really soft. This is going to be the whole video. It's just going to be me rubbing the canvas. Just kidding. On the left hand side we have the legend. On the right hand side we have the legend as well. We'll take a look at it. So everything's clear. There's DMC codes, which is great. And what else can I show you? Oh, we can look at the drill field. Diamond Art Clubs are poured glue, so anything you see, like you can kind of see from the reflection, like there's some lines in here, but that's just the plastic. It's not actually the canvas itself. You can see from the back the canvas itself is pretty much perfect, with no like rivers or anything weird. We'll take a look at the drill field. So this is square again. So here's her face. Oops, if I don't kill the camera first. Here's her eyes. Everything looks really easy to see. Look at those symbols. Easy to read. I'm super excited for this. And the canvas, like everyone else says, it does have a sparkle to it. I don't know if, I probably won't be able to show you guys, but you can kind of see that there's like glitter or something in it, but it's pretty neat. Yeah, so the drill field is really clear. You should be sorry for coughing in my video. So that's the canvas. Now let's take a look at the drills. I'm going to flip it over so that the camera can focus properly. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. And on the drill packaging it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And there are DMC codes on the packages themselves. So let's do one of those trains. I just need to sit up properly. So I'm actually on the floor right now, so let's do it this way. So 907, it's like a neon-y green, which is pretty. 3818, 402, 355, just kidding. 3856, 3864, 934, 738, 841, 2770, 899, 814, 945, 3640, 3787, 938, 3371, 3371 again, 310s, and 310s. Editing Beverly here. While I was putting away the diamond painting, I realized I forgot a whole row of diamonds. So I'm going to insert this where it is applicable. 3848, 762, 996, 317, 415, 321, 820. Ooh, 820 is very pretty. 823, 947, 327. Oh, one of my favorite colors. 906, 498, 3830, 666, 301, 904, 905, 3819. This like, ooh, neon color. I love it. 3865 and 3776. Okay, back to the other video. So those are the drills. I'm super excited. Like, I'm actually going to be kitting this up tonight, and I'm going to be working on it, so I'll do a video of my final review once it's done. The other ones that I ordered, I'll do unboxings for as well, but this is literally like the first Diamond Art Club canvas I've ever touched in my life, and it's amazing. I wish you guys could feel it. Like, everyone says, like, oh, the canvases are so soft, blah, blah, blah. But they are actually super soft compared to other canvases. So, yeah, if you guys liked this video, if it was helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and hit subscribe in the bottom bottom right hand corner. Hit subscribe to keep up to date with my unboxings. The next one we'll unbox will be around. I'm thinking we'll do Sweet Tooth next. So you want to make sure you subscribe so you get notified when that comes up. And again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!